Hello, so this is how I make my watercolor flowers. So I started by painting with just water, and then I started adding some of the darker purple color and then some of this like brighter pink, and I had them blend in together with some water, and then I just add some more purple just so the colors like mix very well together. Then I start adding another petal and another one just to start creating the shape of the flower. And then again I start again with the darker purple, and then I get the bright pink and get it to kind of like blend again, and I fix the petals a little bit just to like make it work well, and I leave the center of it blank for now because I'm gonna fill that in later. So here's me finishing the flower up, and I'm adding some more pink there, making sure it blends. And then with a darker brown, I start creating some dots in the center of it just to start making the center of the flower. And the petals are still a little bit wet. And then I add in some orange just to blend it in, still dotting it all, and that's the flower.